you a caterer, a food vendor, a food truck owner, or restaurant owner? It doesn't matter if you only cater for events or day-to-day service. I have great news for you. Have you heard about the Black Restaurant Accelerator Program? Please click on the like button first and foremost if you haven't, and share this great news with your friends. Now, have you seen my videos on business grants? Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. If you're new to this channel, I want to say big thank you. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and trust me, there are no stupid questions on my channel. So feel free to ask your questions and I'll be more than happy to respond to all of you. Before I proceed, let me introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I am a wife, a mom, a recent MBA graduate, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, and of course a YouTuber. I am based here in California and I drop 2 videos every week, every Mondays and Wednesdays. You can also catch me live on YouTube every Saturdays and Wednesdays. However, if I have videos on grants and I know that and they require specific, and these videos require immediate attention, I am likely to put out more videos than usual in a week. So please come with me. Let's go. You know I can't hide this. You know I have to spill the juices now. You know how I do on my channel. I have to spill the beans and show you guys the way. I can't be discovering these things and not be sharing it with my people. Be cool. So let's go. Now, one thing is this: Black entrepreneurs have faced systemic barriers to growth, including access to loans and capital, biased community perceptions, and gentrification challenges. And the COVID-19 pandemic has compounded these hurdles for Black-owned food service companies and vendors. Guess what? In partnership with PepsiCo Foundation, the National Urban League, through its 12 entrepreneurship centers in cities across the United States, has finally launched the Black Restaurant Accelerator Program, BRAP. Yes. Feda, you want to come say hi? Okay. Say hi.
Hi.
No, it's not gonna show your face. Oh yeah, say hi. Say hi here.
Hi here.
You're not looking at the camera. Look at the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Now you can go back and play. Now, the BRAP will help address these barriers and take a long-term view by pairing participants with entrepreneurship advisors and with entrepreneurship advisors and PepsiCo employee volunteers to build an actionable plan for growth. Now, their objective is to help these businesses become profitable, nimble, and thrive. And now, the program will comprise direct grant assistance to 500 businesses and technical assistance, including entrepreneurship coaching. Including entrepreneurial coaching and training on various topics, even including back office and accounting systems and support, inventory management, operational efficiency, marketing for growth and ROI, that's your return on investment, and staff development. Now, what are the eligibility requirements? First, you must be a Black-owned food service company located in the service area of a National Urban League entrepreneurship center in one of the following cities. So if you are in Atlanta, Baltimore, Chicago, Cincinnati, Ohio, Cleveland, Houston, Texas, Jacksonville, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, California, New Orleans, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C. Now, the minimum revenue standards and other prerequisites will apply. So interested businesses should contact their local entrepreneurship center to complete an application for consideration. Now, initial review process. Now, we have 3 stages, before you get selected. We have the initial review process where the incubator team reviews your completed application, and then we have the interview stage. That's where promising applicants will be invited to an interview with the incubator team. Now, we have the onboarding stage, which is after the interview, selected applicants will meet with the incubator team to assess your needs and develop a program that best suits your goals. So, quick one. I just want to quickly put this out there. When you get on the website, don't be alarmed. Now, check your region and click on it. Check the region where you reside in the United States and click on it. So you will be redirected to your own zone. You are welcome. This video has blessed you. You know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Yes, so don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Do you have a friend that does catering? What's going on? Please come. Now, do you have a friend that does catering, that caters for events, ships food maybe from a state to another? Just find out, just check if you are in one of the zones that I just mentioned in this video, and go ahead and apply. Who knows? You could be one of the selected participants, one of the winners of these grants. So guys, so what are you still waiting for? Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's allow this info and share this good news with our friends and all our loved ones. Yes. So for those of you that are interested in joining my Facebook group, it is called Business Moguls. We help to inspire business people to take their business ideas to the next level. So join my Facebook group and I will ginger you to take your dreams and aspirations to the next level. Yes. So, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Chassis Everything. So I'll see you guys again with another powerful and exciting episode. Yes, very soon, because these grants will be closing soon. So I'll have loads and loads of videos dropping soon on the grants. So if you haven't seen my video on business grants, check out this video, check out this link over here. So I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, keep winning and keep sparkling. I love you all. Bye for now. Mwah. You feel like, come and say hi, come and say bye. Okay, you want to say bye?
Bye bye.
Wave your hands, honey. Yeah.
Oh.
It's okay. Want to wave your hands? Good job. Blow a kiss. Mwah. We love you. Bye, guys.
Bye.